Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my September 2022 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. I'm so happy that this is finally here. I can't believe how delayed my beauty subscriptions are this month. I only got my Boxy Luxe box, which that unboxing is up here on my YouTube channel, but I'm still waiting on my other BoxyCharm, my other IPSY, so don't worry, as soon as I get those, I will be doing my unboxings here on my YouTube channel. But let's get into this one here. This is the least expensive out of all of them, but it's still a monthly beauty subscription that is supposed to be customized to my preferences, and we'll see how much it actually is. And just so you know, I don't get PR from IPSY or BoxyCharm. I pay for all of my subscriptions, and then all of the makeup products that I get in here and BoxyCharm, I try out on my YouTube channel as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. So if there's any products that you want me to try out first, just let me know in the comments down below. But let's go ahead and see what products I got. Ooh, a cute bag this month. I love how shiny it is. And I've got some products left here in the mailer. Oh, I think I have some products in here that I redeemed my IPSY points to get, which I love the IPSY point system because you get free products by reviewing the products that you get each month, and then everyone that has an IPSY subscription gets their own referral link, which I always have in my description of my videos. So I was able to get this one here, I remember. The Glam Light S'mores Highlighter and Contour Palette. So I'm very excited about this. This looks so cute, and I got it for free with points. And then another thing that just fell out is a brush. I do not like to get brushes in my beauty subscriptions. I always put on my feedback, my quiz, that I do not want brushes, so this is frustrating to see. I definitely did not redeem points to get this brush, but this is the Firma 204. Doesn't even say what kind of brush it is, and it just looks like not even like a special type of brush, just like a regular eyeshadow brush that I have literally dozens of in front of me right now. Let's see if I have product information anywhere before I continue on. So I've got this Netflix, The School of Good and Evil. That's funny, there's advertising on here. Yes, I do have product information. So the Firma Beauty 204 Wide Blender Brush, this retails for $10. That is not a great product for me to start out with because I was saying how it's supposed to be customized to preferences, and it's clearly not when I'm getting a brush. Next, oh, this is a lot smaller than I was expecting, but this is the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. This is the product that I chose because you do get to choose one out of your 5 products for the IPSY Glam Bag, and I really like the brand Ciate London. I get it a lot in IPSY and BoxyCharm, but I also just love lip products, and my lips are so dry all the time, so lip oils have been a really great solution for my extremely dry, chapped lips, so I'm very excited to try this one out. And so the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Lip Oil. This is, of course, just a sample. The full size retails for $15. Next, pulling out a product here from the brand Sophia and Mabel, which I'm not too familiar with this brand, but I have gotten a few products, I think in IPSY, that I've tried out, but I haven't really been like blown away by the products I've tried from this brand, but this here is the I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer. I actually love trying out primers, so I'm excited to put this to the test. And this definitely seems like a sample. Yes, the full size retails for $16, which is not crazy expensive. The Sophia and Mabel I Woke Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer in clear. So I wonder if that means it comes in colors as well. All right, next. Ooh, this is one of my new favorite brands. It's Lottie London, so I am very happy to see a Lottie London product in here. This is the Power Foil Metallic Eyeshadow. Ooh, that I got in the shade Golden Hour. See, this seems like full size. Yeah, this is full size. It retails for $8, but Lottie London is an affordable brand, which is a reason why I love it, but they make such incredible quality products and very fun products. I'm actually surprised I haven't tried this one out yet, but I am so excited to. Let's see. Oh, and I've got one more product in here. Oh, this is a good size sample, I think. Yeah, sample from the brand Hemp's. This is sweet pineapple and honey melon herbal body butter. Ooh. I actually love to get like body lotions, body butters, because I go through them so quickly. I use one every single day after I shower, and I really like the brand Hemp's. Oh, it smells so incredible. I think I'll just put a little on my hands to see how it is. So besides the brush, this is actually a pretty good glam bag. Oh my gosh, this smell. It smells so incredible. I'm so excited to wear this all over my body and have this incredible, delicious smell on me. It's just so fruity and tropical and sweet. Oh, I'm obsessed. Alrighty. So, yeah, I'm actually going to be able to use all of these products, which is great, and they're exciting products for me to try out. So I'll do a quick recap, and let's keep in mind, this is supposed to be valued at $50+ Looking in front of me right now, I'm like, no way is this over $50 of value. That's the thing, like I feel like I haven't really gotten an IPSY Glam bag that has seemed like it's more than $50 of value. But let's go ahead and see what I got. I got the Lottie London Foil Metallic Eyeshadow, the Hemp's Body Butter, the Sophia and Mabel Primer, the Ciate London Lip Oil, the Firma brush, and those are the products that make up my glam bag. And then I did get this one, which does not count towards the $50 value, with my points, the Glam Light S'mores Highlight and Contour Palette. So if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them, any tips you have when I go to try them out. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.